guys, what's up? It's Haley and Cheyenne. She's recording. As you can see, we're outside, so we're not using the webcam, we're using the camera, so we don't know how long it'll last.
Yeah, because of the battery.
But we're on the trampoline. There's a spider before, you should see it. I was screaming. And then, so we're going to be doing like tricks and stuff on the trampoline, and we have fuzzy socks
On.
And then, so yeah, we're probably going to be slipping a lot. That was the point.
Alright. Yeah, good to go?
Okay. First,
Wait.
I'm going to do, what's it called? You tell them what I'm going to do.
It's like a front tumble type thing.
Kind of, sort of.
Alright. You're good.
Okay. Where'd the duck go?
Over here.
Oh, okay.
Woo!
Awesome, I landed that.
Next thing, she's gonna run around and see if she slips or not. Almost fell off the edge.
Kind of.
Oh, are you okay? That looked like it hurt.
No, it was fun. I did the same thing before when I was practicing.
Yeah, so this time you had to hit the pole.
No, actually it didn't hit me.
And the next thing she's gonna do a spinny thing.
I'm dizzy.
You think?
Wait. What? What am I doing?
Spinny thing.
What's spinning?
I don't know. It's the thing I don't know. Whatever you said before. Or is that it?
I was gonna jump.
Yeah, something like that. Close enough.
See how long it takes me to flip and fall. Oh, ready? Ready with the wind? Ready? Good for it?
The wind's going that way. Slow wind. Alright.
Okay.
That was weird.
I believe I fly like a bird in the sky. I've no energy left in my body. Did you get that?
Yeah.
I like spun and then I fell. Sorta, ow.
Alright. Tired yet?